I have 4, supposed to have 5, but ended up just being 4 because someone decided that they were going to cancel and move over into another day. Whatever their issue was, fine with me. But I end up with 4, so I have 3 all in the same zip code, and which is where I am now. And 2 out of those 3, the questions have already been answered, and I have access, so those are gonna go really, really fast. I was supposed to start it on those earlier this morning, but when my other one ended up having to move it to another day, it was gonna leave such a huge gap till I decided to come an hour later and come over here and knock out the first one that I do have to meet with someone with, and then just drop those other 2 in between so that I don't have such a huge gap. So anyway, I am now here at the location. I'm going to call really fast and see, is he anywhere around? And so that we can go ahead and get started. The appointment is for 11 o'clock. So we're going to see what happens. Right now it is 10:48. So we're going to see what happens. So we're calling really fast and see what we got. And I hit you guys back on the flip. Okay, so it is now 11:07. She hasn't made it. I have left her a voicemail beforehand to let her know I was going to go on ahead and get started. And then I just called her again, and there's no response. Okay, so I had to leave her another voicemail. I told her I'd give her a few minutes. The next one, I have one that's 3 minutes away and another one that is only 2 minutes away. So it's off one of these little streets here, so I'll be able to just go ahead and knock those out. She has not contacted me. Everything on the outside I was able to get. One of the panels is outdated, but everything else she has around the side, I don't see any violations, any code problems around there. Now, a lot of them have high balconies, and the ones at the top, on the top level, you can't see through their balconies at all, but they are clearly tall walls, so I wouldn't even concern with that. But the bottom, I can tell just by looking at them, they're very high. They're high enough, and it doesn't matter really if it's on this first floor, but I can see through them, so there's no violations that I see over there at all. So other than the panel, it's okay. You know, a little stuff in the back, but you know, people, they live there, so they're gonna put their stuff around as long as it's not the housekeeping is not out of the way. And right now the location is pretty well intact. So I do need to really get into a unit for this carrier. If she does not come, then I'll have to let them know that I couldn't get in. But everything else, luckily for me, I at least ain't have to worry about them having heaters and all of that inside of the units, because I found them on the outside. So there's no problem, no big deal on that. But they will end up having to send something in. And I told her I'd give her a few minutes. She has 1 more minute. And then I told her if she contacts me while I'm still in the area, I will come back since she's only 3 minutes away, so that we can run in a unit because I have time. If she doesn't contact me once I leave here and go to the next unit, then I will not be coming back, and I will have to ding her as a no-show. And if she call me later, then, you know, we'll work something out after that. But I'm not coming back, and it is what it is on that, okay? So, matter of fact, let me go ahead and put it down on her form right now with a little question mark as far as a no-show. Because see, sometimes, like I said before, people will make appointments with you. They have no intention on coming at all, but that is okay. There's always a way around it. So I will send an email again when I get home if I need to, if she does not respond, and see where it goes from there. Sometimes that is how it goes. It's just, you know, well, you know, once you've been doing it a while, you understand what I'm talking about. Okay, so we just gonna move on to the next location and see, can we go ahead and knock some of those out, because she has answered all of those questions. So that's where we're gonna go next. Okay, it appears that the entire building is electric. I had to do a double take to make sure, because I was like, where in the world are the gas mains? But I don't see any. So I had to do a triple check back into the unit to make sure that I was not tripping. Okay, so apparently it is all electric. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna get in this car and we're gonna go on to the next one. And yes, of course, the first one, she still ain't called me. So yeah, she was a definite no-show. Nothing for me. I was able to get everything I needed out from over there, except for a few things that were inside of the unit. And yeah, she's gonna have to work that out once I get back home. Okay, so let me go on to the next. Alright guys, so she called soon as I went to driving up over here to this next one. Y'all seen it was right here at this corner. She called the first lady, okay, and apparently she said she got caught off guard and she was not able to make it this morning, and she do so apologize, but she was able to answered some quick questions for me, which is a plus. It is now 11:39. She got her questions answered, but she said that there would be no way for me to get inside of the actual unit, so she will be receiving recs on those, but it is what? Completed. All right, so now this one right here, let me run in here real quick. I can't record up in here, guys. Let me tell you something. That's hard work, all right? I'm trying to get out of here. I got to get back on the freeway in just a few minutes. So I will tell you what they got and what they don't got in just a minute, but let me get out of this car and get over here, and I'll see you guys on the flip, okay? Okay, so the last two locations I had access to, right? So I go into this last one, and I'm glad I didn't record in there, because let me tell you something, that was a maze. That's what that building was up in there, a maze. All right, but the unit, I didn't have access at first. I went to the unit, the door was locked, couldn't get in, no key, no nothing. So I went all the way around the building, took care of everything I needed to take care of, got everything done. I needed to get in that unit. I needed to get into somewhere where I could find a water heater and all of that stuff. Okay, didn't see any electrical panels, nothing. I called the number, she answered the phone, and voila, I had keys. Yes, so I was able to get everything done. Remember, she had already answered all of the questions beforehand when I first called and set up these appointments anyway, so all of that is squared away and out of the way, and as soon as she answered all of those questions, I had already put them in the system. So when I get home, all I got to do is drop those pictures up in there and press submit. Oh, that girl worked it out on those two. All right, so the first one, when I get home, I got to put that work in. This one right here is supposed to be for 1 o'clock. And it is now 12:26, if y'all can see that. So your girl worked it out and got over here. So now I'm going to have to call, because it looks as though I see some stuff going on over there. And so I'm going to call and see if my contact is there or anywhere near, or at least see if I can get in there. And if I can, then I will do so. So y'all give me a minute, because who is this calling? Is this my person here? No? So who are you? See, that's what I'm talking about. Y'all, let me catch y'all on the flip. Let me answer this phone. Okay, so they're already over here, and they told me I could come on. Hot dog. Hi. Yes, how are you?
Good. I'm Garfield Broussard.
Hi. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you as well.
So I'm going to start in the front here, and what I want to do is just work all the way around first.
Okay.
And then we'll go in a unit. How about that?
We'll try.
Okay.
Some of them are at work.
Okay, so you're saying I won't have access to a unit?
I don't know. I don't know.
Okay, so we may have to start knocking early then. All right. All right, we got finished with that. Rocked and rolled it. He said everybody was at work and they didn't tell nobody that I was going to need to get in. But somebody came out and we was able to go in her unit. So, but that's it, guys. That's it for today. I was able to knock out 4. It is now 12:57, not even 1 o'clock. So 2 hours, and I am done for the day, and I'm about to head out of here because I got to go to the grocery store. But at least I have knocked it out. Thank you guys so much for watching and coming along on my little ride along today. It is super hot out here. I hate to seem like sometimes that I'm rushing, but it's so hot, and I just got to get out of here. Okay, like, subscribe, turn on the notification bell. You know I'll be bringing you back something later. Thank you guys once again for watching. Enjoy the rest of your day.